Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you a special. It's like this program has helped me out a lot to actually grow your YouTube channel. It's the most hardest thing to do when you are obviously a small channel like myself. Um, just so you can see, just for proof that obviously what I'm going to tell you is absolutely true. This is one of my videos, and I've ranked it up to first place, and as you can see, this was yesterday's video. I do only have 5 views that is showing there, but obviously on my dashboard, as you can see, that one has actually got 18 views. It does take time to update on here, sort of thing, if that makes sense. But the main part of a YouTube channel is to obviously get yourself out there. The only way to get yourself out there, it's not free, but it's very cheap. It costs £4.50, I think it is, a month for an app called TubeBuddy. Yeah, £4.50. Okay, and what this program does is I'm going to show you now. So you'll obviously pick a keyword. So straight as you start to put your title in, so this is a Black Ops 4 video. If you put Black Ops 4 gameplay, and then as you can see, the app is already on your YouTube channel, so you link it to your YouTube channel. It is so easy, and you can then pretty much, this app tells you about the best keywords to use for your video. So obviously if you didn't have this app, all of this wouldn't be here. So if you go onto relevance, that's going to be all your relevant keywords to your video. If you click onto score, click on refresh, and as you can see, all of the scores have come up on all of these keywords. So obviously the higher the number, the more score it is. So what the score means is there's a lot more people searching for that keyword. Okay, but the other main fact is for instance, if you put Black Ops 4 gameplay on your first key on your title, let's say, that has to also be your first keyword. Okay, then let's say after you put obviously in this game it was testing the AK 47. So now obviously it's going to keep updating all of your keywords. So the main thing is to have as many keywords in your title, your description and your tags as you can. So I'm going to show you what I do. So I always copy that, paste it into the top part of your description. You also copy and paste that into here. So let's just go back through this. You put the first keyword that you're going to use firstly in the title, okay, and then after that it doesn't matter what you put in. So but the first keyword has to be in the first part of your title. So that's that, and then you copy and paste that into your description. And so what this is doing is the more that your title and your description and your keywords is obviously all of your keywords, the more there is in the title, description and tags, the higher it's going to rank up, because obviously that is how SEO works. So after you've done that, then obviously you can, what I do is I just go onto one of my other videos. I will go onto the details. I will copy and paste. So what I've got is, just to save time, I just copy and paste. So you put your short description, and then obviously in brackets you put obviously your video name again. So you copy and paste that video name into these brackets, and what that is doing is you're getting twice as many of the same keywords into your description. So you're going to have one 2 and 3 times of them keywords just in your title and your description. I'm not sure if this helps a lot, but I've been told that it does. Obviously, I am ranking top 1 in a lot of my keywords, so I always put my channel link, and also I'll put all of my tags that I choose. I will copy that and then paste it into the tag, so all of your tags are also showing up in your description. So it's very important that you follow these steps. So as you can see, I go on to there and I do a couple of spaces down and I paste that. So just so you can see, I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it. I'm going to paste it into these brackets. So paste it into there. So now that title is now in one and twice. So once and twice in just my description. So obviously all of these keywords. So let's say someone types in AK-47. Obviously you've got that 4 times in just 3 times in just your description, your title, and if you put it into your tags as well, like I have here. Also with this app, you can click onto your keywords and you can see obviously the search volume for this is quite poor, but for poor obviously it's still quite a lot of views. This is the amount of views that are searched up for that keyword every month. Your competition is obviously, the higher that is, the better. So that's on 100%. The optimization strength is also on close to 98%. So you know that you're going to top that keyword for, like, you'll come first place. Let's just put it that way. As long as you follow these steps and you put as many of these keywords into your title and your description as you can. So from here, I'll just put something like AK-47 as a keyword. I would put gameplay as a keyword. I'd put Black Ops 4. I'll put multiplayer gameplay. I would just simply have Black Ops 4, because obviously the game's Black Ops 4, and then obviously that is really what I would keep it as. But then if we go down to here, you can see all of the other ones. You can just click on these, the relevant ones to what your channel is about. To what your video is about. So obviously we'll put AK, that will start coming up as AKs. Go on to scores. So obviously Call of Duty, because it's a Call of Duty game. Call of Duty Black Ops, because it's a Black Ops game, and you want to try to use as many keywords as you can. Obviously the more keywords that you use, the better, pretty much. You want to also, if you are going to schedule or make it public, you need to add it into a playlist. So as you can see, these are all of the playlists that I have, and if you don't already have a playlist, you can go and create a new playlist. So obviously I'll go on Black Ops 4, because it's a Black Ops 4 video, and I'm going to schedule this for tomorrow and at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Now also, the main part of getting quick views is also to know when your videos are being viewed the most, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So on the YouTube page, you need to go onto your channel and then go onto your analytics, and on here you can see the past 24 hours of obviously the views on your channel. And as you can see, from around, let's say, 6 o'clock in the morning to around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I don't get many views, and that's obviously because there's people at work or people at school, blah blah blah. Obviously it's the same here, and then it will start to pick up from about this time until about 4 o'clock, as there's people on break times, all that sort of stuff. And then obviously it will go down until the evening, till about 6 o'clock, when everyone's home from school, work, etc. So you want to upload your videos about an hour to 2 hours before, just before your peak times are. So as you can see, my peak times are usually in the afternoon. In the mornings I don't get that many views, as you can see, but I do average, just so you know, I average around 1,600. I got, that's on a Sunday, so obviously Saturdays and Sundays are going to be your most highest viewed videos, because obviously everyone's off of work and stuff like that. But during the week, as you can see, I'm still getting about 600 to 700 views a day. Then obviously this Saturday just gone, I got 1,000, and this Sunday I got 995 views. So that's also another way to help your channel grow, is putting your videos up at the right time. Okay, so right, if we go back to this, then obviously as you can see I'm top there. I think I've already shown you that, but straight as you get to this, then obviously after you've added all of your keywords, you've got to copy and paste all of these keywords to your tags. That's going to take a while, so I don't want to obviously make you sit here and watch that. Then another main key is obviously picking the right category. So for me it's gaming, and then you've got to put the game name, because that's also going to help sort of the keywords show up to the SEO. Because where I've got Black Ops 4 in the title, obviously it's going to then make sure that it only shows up for Black Ops 4 videos. If you want it to show up for all different videos, if you've got loads of different gameplays, loads of different games put into one, then leave that blank. But if you only want people to obviously see it, that is mainly for Black Ops, you need to put Black Ops, because you will rank higher, let's just put it that way. Other than that, that is literally all you have to do, and it is as simple as that. So don't forget, the app is called TubeBuddy. It is £4.50 a month. That ain't even pounds. If that is in, I'm not sure if that's euros or if that's dollars, but I think it works at about £3 a month. So it's a very cheap tool that can help you rank very high. And if you go onto any video, if I just quickly click on this video, it will also,
how to invest in stocks.
As you can see here, it's also showing it, the stats for this one. It also shows the top, like, obviously they got 1.3 million views. It's showing all of the tags, so all of the tags what he has used to rank that high and to get that high, it shows you their tags. So as you can see, it's a very powerful tool to rank up your videos. But yeah guys, I will leave a link to TubeBuddy in the description below, and also I will be leaving a link to my channel. Please like and subscribe if this has helped you out a lot. As I said, it is so cheap, you might as well try it. I can guarantee you that it will bring you success. Obviously I've been going for about 2 weeks, and I've been going since, let's say the 12th of June. It's now the 24th. So as you can see, straight after the first day of getting this, as you can see, look, at first I was getting about 9 views a day, 4 views a day, 6 views a day, until I found out about this app, and this is what it has brought me. So obviously my channel has grown a lot, and also since I've done that, I've gained 166 subscribers in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days. I've gained 166 subscribers. That is mental. And pretty much every hour, look, I'm getting between 285, I've got 212 that hour, and that will keep going up and up and up. Sorry, the phone's ringing. So yeah, please like and subscribe if this has helped you out. And I'll leave a link to TubeBuddy in the description below. Comment below if this obviously has helped you out, so that people watching this video knows that obviously it does work. So yeah, guys, cheers for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Cheers.